Why wait to build when you can begin living your best life now? You'll feel right at home as you step through the front door of this Ryan Homes Seagate 4-bedroom, solar-powered, split floor plan in the highly sought-after Southfork Lakes community. Just inside this cozy abode, you'll find 2 generously sized bedrooms with a shared bathroom. Proceed down the wide, elongated hallway where you'll find the laundry room and an additional bedroom, which is also ideal for a flex space/home office. As you enter the heart of the home, you are sure to be awestruck with a wide-open layout, tons of natural light, soaring ceilings, and spectacular pond view. The well-appointed kitchen comes complete with a appliance suite, walk-in pantry, pendant lighting, granite countertops, and breakfast bar. It adjoins the dinette, formal dining, and family rooms, making it perfect for hosting those large gatherings with family and friends. If privacy is what you crave, head through the rear sliders to the covered lanai, where you're sure to spend countless hours inside your fully fenced backyard enjoying the serene outdoors while marveling at the beautiful sunset hues, and occasional celebratory fireworks shows, across the sky. At the end of those long grueling days, wind down in your spacious owner's suite, which is tucked away in the rear of the home and boasts a great view of the pond, walk-in closet, dual sinks, quartz countertops, and large walk-in shower. This home is 4 years old, without the timeline of new construction. Enjoy resort-style living centered around amenities that include sparkling ponds, a luxurious pool, clubhouse, fitness room, grill, covered playground, walking trails, bark park, fire pit, and more. Your new home sweet home is conveniently located a short drive to commuter routes, offering access to downtown Tampa, MacDill AFB, South Hillsborough VA clinic, beaches, restaurants, entertainment, and shopping. Schedule your private showing today and take the first step to make this beautiful house your new home.